Yup. Alright, so yeah, it's gonna be a bit of a different stream today, I guess. Best way to put it is I'm currently working on getting a 3D enclosure for all of this stuff. Also, you're gonna have to let me know if the audio is whack, because I haven't done this in a while and I haven't really updated things, but you know. Alright, so nobody's here, but like, just in case anyone ever wants to know by like watching this VOD back, and just for my own documentation's sake, currently I am getting the enclosure, thank you, I'm getting the enclosure all set up. So it's just gonna be cardboard for a bit. These two servos right here, these are the Joker servos. So these are going to be the main ones you're looking at, essentially. How you say? So this is Joker 1, and then this is Joker 2. So whenever a Joker activates, Joker 1 and 2 are going to be, you know. So essentially right now what I have set up is the entirety of Balatro. Well, not the entirety yet, but also that's the wrong slide, but yeah, at this point, I'm just slowly going to be implementing Jokers. You can see here, I currently have base Joker implemented, and I have Splash implemented. So the goal is to get as many Jokers as I can get right now. There are a lot of Jokers which just aren't going to work with my current setup, because right now I'm using playing cards. And don't get me wrong, playing cards, you know, they're nice and everything, but the issue with playing cards is that, believe it or not, they cannot change suit and rank on demand. So for a lot of these Jokers where it's going to be like conditional on like discarding and like getting the cards like destroyed or stuff like that, it's not going to be very feasible right now. Trying to find one example. I can actually implement most Jokers right now, luckily, but like, let's see. Where are you? Jeez, I can implement like everyone. Okay, wow. So yeah, the stream is just gonna be me slowly working away at getting a bunch of these Jokers implemented. I'm gonna start with all the easy ones, honestly. So my current setup here, in my state, I'm able to see the rank and suit of each card that gets scored. Let me just do a quick example, by the way. So here's the current board I have set up. The issue is right now I'm waiting on a webcam to come in. The reason why this project's been so slow is because I have been trying to get in a stupid... bastard. Trying to get this idiot to work for like the past 2 weeks. Gonna get a close-up on his guilty little face. And it just didn't feel like working. So that's 2 weeks of my life wasted, eh? Fun stuff. So I'm instead just gonna be using a web camera, like a basic person, because yep. And it's gonna be the exact same, it's just less cool, I guess is the best way to put it. For now, though, while I'm waiting for my webcam to come in, which should be in a week or two here, I'm just going to be manually uploading board.jpg. I have a couple of saved images that I am ready to swap out whenever we need to test something, like a Gluttonous Joker or something where you need, like, clubs, I believe, is Gluttonous Joker's thing. I can swap out to an image that has clubs in it. So, yeah. But for now, though, this is the image that we're using. And with that image in mind, I'm going to quickly clear out the terminal here, and let me show you a quick run through of what we're looking at. It's not the most aesthetic right now because I don't have the cards set up here, but you should be able to see the vision. I'm not certain if this camera will pick up on the tilting though, but white deck, white stake, play the hand, and right now I have... So that was tilt the first card, tilt the second card, tilt the third card, tilt the fourth card, tilt the fifth card, and then tilt the basic Joker that I have set up right now. So the current Joker is just basic Joker, which is the +4 Molt Joker that occurs after a hand is played. So, yeah, that's the basic. Moving on, let's just get Greedy Joker out of the way, because why not? Shouldn't be too hard. It's just going to be a check to see if the card is a diamond, and if it is, then it's just going to be +3 Molt. So, I may actually just group these jokers for my own sanity. This is going to be after hand played. This is going to be a misc, and this is going to be on card score. Okay, so let's get class. What was this one called? The Greedy Joker. All right, so Greedy Joker. We can honestly just copy over the majority of it, which is just what I'm gonna do, and the AI really wants me to. So it's Greedy Joker. That is not what it does. Let me go to proper description here. It was played cards with diamond suits give 3 Molt. So I'm just going to say played diamonds give +3 Molt. That works for me. Then it's going to be on event on card score. It's not like that, it's underscores here. Come on, be classy, people. So here on... Oh, it is on card score. Let me... I'm stupid. Okay. So now, on card score, if state.suit equals diamonds, just making sure that's what this would be here. I think it would honestly just be D? I think so. So I think it's going to be if suit equals D, then do that, and then all that junk. And I'm just going to copy paste this over for the other jokers that are like this, which is Lusty, Wrathful, Gluttonous. So this is a quick 4-pack just out of the way. Okay. Greedy Joker, so what was the second one? Lusty Joker. Lusty Joker played Hearts, give +3 Molt. Then, yeah, just if H. And now, next up is going to be Wrathful, and then Gluttonous. Wrathful Joker. Wrathful, yep. That's the wrong one. It's gonna be Spades. S. And the final one is Gluttonous Joker, which is played Clubs. I am shocked the AI did not get the pattern recognition there, but whatever. Okay. So if I think, like, since these are all implemented basically the same exact way, if I just run, I mean, look at my current, I have Hearts, so if I just run the Hearts one, which is Lusty Joker, hopefully it should all just work. Let me just quickly add... I have way too many open here. Which of you do I actually need? I need you. Okay. So let's remove... Actually, no. We'll keep Basic Joker, and then we'll tack on Lusty Joker. Right, we need to hit import all of these. Okay. So now you should see, hopefully if the world is good, you should see that after every servo activation here, this servo should activate. We'll see if it does, I guess. If it doesn't, then that means that this was... I messed something up. Okay. So playing... Why did you only... Okay, it didn't activate. Right. For Joker in state.jokers, joker.trigger. On card underscore score. On underscore card underscore score. Should take in the event as an argument. So what's wrong? What's wrong? Lusty is if state.suit equals H, which is correct. Those are all hearts. Then we should be triggering. Let me quickly make sure this isn't a ordering issue for some reason. And let's just only use Lusty Joker here. If nothing activates, then we have confirmed that the issue is with the Lusty Joker itself and not the ordering. The issue is with the Lusty Joker itself, notably. That's annoying. Also, I don't think this hand score is correct. No, maybe it is correct. Let me just take a quick peek at hand types Balatro. Should be... So it's a straight flush, so it's going to be 100 times 8 plus 40. So 120... Sorry, 140 times 8, which is going to be 280 times 4, which, yeah. Yeah, that's correct. Okay. So scoring is correct, it's just the Lusty Joker hasn't been properly counted. Let me actually check something. Let me even see if it's triggering, rather than the, issue being, you know, like, I want to see if the issue is the state.suit part. So we're going to say if event equals on card underscore score print test. And if test doesn't show up here, then that means that this card didn't even get triggered in the first place, which is mildly annoying. I see no sign of test. Okay. So that means that this card never even got triggered. If event equals... Okay. So something is going wrong in the score here. For Joker in state.jokers, joker.trigger on card score. I want to confirm this is correct. Yeah, if event equals on card score. Okay. Where did I put... Oh, did I already get rid of the test? No, I just put on Wrathful Joker. Okay, sorry, that didn't mean anything then, jeez. Actually, no, it did, because it's before check, so all of them would have printed that. Okay. So the issue is that they're not even picking up on this in the first place. Basic Joker worked. If event equals after hand played. So something's just... these cards are scoring. I've confirmed that because 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 is 40. Right? 15, 10. Yeah, that's 40. and then yeah, it's 140 times 8, which is 1100, 120. I don't know why I said it like that. Whatever. Right. Trigger. Why? What? Maybe I just don't. These two should be the same. Maybe print. Sorry. No, it's the rank in suit isn't the issue. The issue is that this isn't doing anything. I want to confirm these two are like basically the same, right? Yeah. Basically the same. Okay. On card score. Confirm that you should name Joker, description, def trigger, self event, if event equals score, then do something. Like, I guess desperate times call for desperate measures. Let me copy over the string just to make sure I'm not doing something really, really stupid here. I think the strings like should be, yeah, that. So it's sending the event. Every Joker is getting triggered with the event. On card score. It's just they aren't actually. Whatever. It's already been 17 minutes. Wow, 17 minutes of just doing a whole lot of nothing. Sorry about that. I don't understand what the issue is, I guess. Chances are it's going to be like a really, really stupid issue. Oh, wait. Test, it does matter because it doesn't trigger all of them. It only, so, okay, I have a theory. I'm going to print test and it's going to work on Lusty Joker this time. Just making sure you're on Lusty Joker. Yeah, so trigger. This is... Actually, you know what? Let's trigger it twice, just in case. So it should print twice here. Okay. Playing blind test. Okay. Yep. All right. So yeah, sorry. On playing blind, it said test. Oh, it's because it didn't check for the event. So that was just the okay. Okay. So yeah, it turns out that suit didn't equal H. So let's just quickly print out suit here, because I have a feeling it's going to be like, ooh, it's hearts actually. The suit is hearts. Print suit. Sorry, S. I think. Sorry, print state dot suit. Let's just see what this does. Run it back. Okay. So now it's a lowercase h. I thought we set it up so that in the where is it? Detect cards. I thought it went to uppercase. Does it not do that in it detects the card, it appends the uppercase version. But in scoring, it's lowercase? Okay, that's wow. Okay, so it turns out that I actually did have everything set up initially. It's just I just need to use S dot to uppercase. And there we go. Congrats, everything works. Yay. Why is it not uppercase though? I mean, we have it split. It splits between lowercase and uppercase. Does this format not work? No, it should send the uppercase. Okay, just who cares? Who cares? I will figure it out later. Now I'm just praying that it works. It would be lovely if it did. Also, this thing keeps falling over because I didn't apply tape correctly, and like the tape I did apply wasn't very long ago. Just please, it's not gonna sit still. Okay, I'm just gonna get more tape here. This is all temporary tape anyways. I mean, this stuff isn't gonna be all around for very long. Christ. Where? There we are. Alright, please don't destroy my... Come on. Come on, come on. There we go. Okay, fun stuff. So we're gonna grab a bit of tape. I'm gonna give it the good old loop-de-loop treatment here. I said give it the good old loop-de-loop treatment. I said, like, why aren't you sticking your tape? That's like the one thing you do. Okay. Now for the rest of the tape, we're just gonna do what we did with the rest of them, which is just go over it, tape it down crazy style, like this. Not good enough? Fun, good enough. Okay. So now, like I said again, this is the Lusty Joker. I thought I clicked the right button there. Whatever. So now it should be like card tilt, then Lusty tilt. String has no attribute to upper. Great. Is it to upper? Dot upper, not to uppercase. It's just dot upper. Then why did you suggest to uppercase? Fine. Dot upper. Is that better? I hate programming. I genuinely despise programming. Why does anyone do this? Play hand, please. Yes. Yes. Okay. Am I going crazy? Did cereal get overflowed or something? Card 5, Joker 1, card 4. Yeah, tilted. I don't think that went through all the way. Let's try another. It only went through the first 3? it sent 4, 3, tilt card 3. It sent tilt card 2 and tilt card 1, but it didn't do either of those. Is Arduino having like an issue of like serial overload or something? I'd assume that would be the case. I mean, the way I was thinking of doing it was I was just gonna like manually queue everything via serial here, but like I don't really see why else it wouldn't work unless it was like, oh, serial's too full, you can't do that. So we could either up the serial, put more delay on the scoring, would also work, I guess. Because, like, we don't need to score that quickly. I don't know. Having to do, like, serial control from both sides sounds so annoying. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I could just use, like, a string array and, like, store the commands. Yeah, sure, why not? We'll make it so that command we'll use a command array. How about that? So what is this one doing here? All right, thank you Arduino for not noticing it for some reason. And we're just going to be setting up a array of commands. And we need to like pop the first one. Jeez. Oh, we have to use data structures or vectors. I have to set up a data structure. I haven't done that in like months. It should just be like a basic pop and push kind of data structure though, so it shouldn't be too bad. I'm just gonna ask the robot here. Cause screw it. Alright. Where's the... Okay. Okay. Oof. Oof. It's just gonna be, yeah. Whatever. There you are. Yeah, like vibe coding's lame and gay, but I am incompetent, so I do not care. I'm thinking right now of getting the timer I have set up right now in Arduino moved over to Python so that it can't send another like message here um like until the timer is done. And then that way we don't need this bit. But if that's the case, then everything would like tilt at the same time, which is kind of annoying. I would have to do like the tilt delay calculation on both ends just for like the in-betweeners. That's, I don't know about that one. I'll see. I think a temporary fix of just like setting it up so that there's just an array of commands here is maybe better. Let's see, hold up, I'll just... That should work. Just like a pop and push kind of data structure. That's kind of what I'm thinking, I guess. You know what? Sure. I will trust the AI here. Identifier discard reading is undefined. Discard... What? The code gave me an error. Try again. And now, surely everything... Cool. Alright. Nuke. Ship over here. Okay. Should hopefully upload. Okay, if this works, then that should be 4 more Jokers done, I believe. So, I mean, if it doesn't work, then it is what it is. I'll look into it later. Okay, so... Should be, yeah, all 5 cards here. 2, 4, 5. I hate cardboard, but it is what it is, so who cares? We're testing Lusty Joker right now, so hand up high, check stake, play hand. So hopefully, yep, that works. Okay, and we'll run it one more time, I guess. Actually, let me make sure the order's good. Maybe I'm just going crazy. It feels like the Joker went first, and then the card went. Let's see. Is it card first or Joker first? It's okay. It's card first. It's just going a lot faster than before. Let's see. What's causing that? Yeah, it feels like tilt delay is a whole lot. Card time minus start time. Okay, well, regardless, let me just quickly change this text over. We are now done with 6 Jokers. Yippee! Yippee! Yay! Okay, so I'll look into the speed later. Who cares? What do I not need? I don't need detect cards. Okay, so that is the 4 plus Molt Jokers done. Next up is going to be Jolly Joker. Actually, all of these hand Jokers should be absurdly easy to implement. Contains, though, I'm iffy on contains, actually. Actually, maybe I could just get away with, like, because I could just put in, like, full house or 2-pair works. But crap, you could have a 2-pair flush. A 2-pair flush is not, dang it. Okay, I need a new method for this. I need to know, like, every hand that applies rather than just, like, finding the top one. So I guess that's the issue with these guys. Okay, so looking at scoring here. So if it's a flush 2-pair, that's just the main issue I'm thinking of right now. If it's a flush 2-pair, we cannot tell unless we use maybe instead of just confidently saying the hand type is this, we'll go, or sorry, instead of like the else-ifs here, we'll just pick up like an array of hand types that it is, and then we'll pick like the largest hand type for the actual hand type. That way we can actually see if it like includes the hand type. So what I'm thinking is like, is hand as an array? So I'm going to use is hand equals none, sure, whatever. So is hand is going to be none. So now we just need to replace all of these else if statements. AI, please pick up the memo. AI, please pick up the memo. AI, please pick up the memo. Please, AI. Thank you, Copilot. Okay. So now, default hand type should be none, actually. We'll use none. And as a safeguard, how about we add in the none hand type to both of these? So none 0, 0, and then none, 0, 0, add a comma to both of these. Okay. So now we're just going to be replacing state.handType with determine which hand types apply to given hand. And then we'll say hand type is greatest hand detected. So how would we do that? Greatest hand detected. Well, let's start by using like state dot is hand dot append. Okay, and then we're gonna copy this over for all of these. Come on, thank you. Is hand dot append. Yep. Keep going. Yep. This is what we're doing. Wait, what if we don't need to do this in particular? We can just do this twice. It's probably not efficient whatsoever, but we're gonna just copy all of this. Well, no, we're gonna get the else if statements back. Yeah, else. Keep that, and then default, if not hand, return none. Why are we returning 3 statements? I don't think we actually need to. Just return none. Okay. So we've checked what the highest scoring hand is. We're gonna actually set this to none here, I guess, and then we're gonna loop this again. Loop it again. Actually, wait, sorry. We're just gonna quickly add in and if 1 in rank counts values, high card, and then else it's gonna be none. Okay. My bad. I need to just copy this back over, I believe. And then this one, scoring ranks equals none. Well, how would we trigger this without breaking anything? Scoring. Wait, scoring ranks? Oh, yeah, because only rank matters because with a flush. So we can just use 0? What? That should work because we have no zeros, so that's just if no cards are detected though. Okay, and now we're just gonna run it back. Except this time we should be checking for if a hand contains, because that's the wording here. It's if played hand contains a straight. So we need to actually know not just the top hand, or like the greatest hand type, but we need to know every hand type that applies. So we're gonna be doing what they call a run it back. Check which hand types apply, and then this is just check greatest hand type. Okay. And now it's gonna be, we should be able to just append here. So all the scoring ranks parts are not needed whatsoever. So we can simplify this down quite a bit. All the elif stuff's also not needed. Also, I just realized this is all like tabbed, which don't want that. Scoring ranks, get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you, get rid of you. There's definitely a faster way to do this. None won't apply here. I think we can get rid of this because like every hand would be a high card. I mean, just for the gimmick, sure, whatever. Where's my insert key? Okay. So it's going to be state dot is hand dot append, and then we're going to be appending all of these, and we're just going to want to swap all of these out. Come on, keep going. Or not. Oh, okay. Come on, AI. You got this. Hey, there we go. Okay. So now, how do you delete an array? I forgot they're not called arrays in Python. They're called lists. That's so stupid. Right. Okay. So we want, I accidentally typed something. In state, we also want like on, we don't want to like even like reset this at like the end of the game. We want to reset this at like at the end of the hand. It's called, what's it called again? I already forgot what I'm doing. Wow. I am incompetent. Is hand. Okay, so we want is hand to be cleared. Let me just look up quickly. Python clear list. Oh, it's just list dot clear. Oh, okay. That works. And then at the end, we want to, so we don't need to return anything, I don't think, because all this should be good. So we want to just use dot is hand dot clear. No, we don't. Wait, never mind. Yes, we do, because the scoring's already done at this point, so this is all pointless. We probably also want to... No, because that's not an array. Okay, so as long as it's not an array, I don't think it's going to be an issue. So now we need to use the contains, I think. So what? Now that we have all this figured out, it's going to be... look at it. Python if string in list. Okay, that's good. I assume it's very inefficient, but honestly, with how few hand types there are, I think we should be fine. So this is going to be after hand played. We're going to be getting another joker. It's going to be how many more jokers is this from just, it's going to be Jolly Joker, Zany Joker. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've lost count. Kill me. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 from just this sort of like genre of Joker. So let's just start working through them, I guess. All of these are like the exact same, basically. So let's just copy paste 10 times. Okay, 10. Boom. Wow, that's a lot. Alright, what are their names again? I'm just quickly gonna bring this tab to my other monitor here so I can quickly just type all these names out, because it's gonna be a lot. We're starting with Jolly Joker. Jolly Joker is... Jolly Joker is description is plus 12 molt if played and contains 3. This was a pair. I don't want this. No. Can we not? Thank you. Okay. And then we're gonna be calling this Jolly Joker. So Jolly Joker plus 12 molt. Just stop. Stop. I don't want that. Stop it. I hate AI. I actually hate AI. It's no fun. I think we just need to implement this first one first. So we need the if statement here for if state dot well, it would be if pair in state dot is hand. Yeah, that's correct. And then we're gonna just tab all of this in. Boom. And I think, yeah, that should be everything. So do I have a pair in this image? No, I do not, because it's a strush. So I'm gonna quickly swap it out for an image in which there is a pair. I should hopefully have that. I'm actually not certain I have that though. Oh, I do. It's a little fried, but should be better than nothing. Let me quickly bring it over here. Yep, replace. Okay, so now the new board is this. So as you can see, that would be 2 pair, queens and kings. It's going to activate these 4, and it should activate the Joker if I set it in state. The thing is, I'm manually setting all these Jokers at this point because I don't yet have how do you say? I don't have a way to acquire Jokers like in the game itself because I have not yet implemented the shop. That sort of stuff, I'm gonna figure it out later along the line. I'm not sure if I'm gonna end up implementing the shop at all before I move over from physical playing cards to NFC e-paper tags, which are basically just like small screens that hold images passively. Then you can update them whenever to like any image you want. They're amazing, other than the fact that they cost $200,000, which does suck, but whatever. So we're gonna be going to Jolly Joker. Is our Joker. Why? Oh, he's not defined. It's because I have to import Jolly Joker and Greedy Joker and Gluttonous Joker and what was the other one? Greedy Joker, Gluttonous Joker, and then there was Lusty, Greedy, Gluttonous, like Spiteful. I don't think that was the name actually. Let me check though. Wrathful. Yeah, Wrathful Joker. There we go. This list is going to become very long, but I promise I will change the formatting and I will figure out how to not make this an absurdly long list in a bit. Okay. So yeah, Jolly Joker should be fine. Okay. So now we're gonna just test this out and hopefully it works. Is the way that those goes. So yeah, just looking at this board, it should be this, and then this should tilt at the end is what we're looking at. Okay, so yeah, play it out. Play, boof, boof, play hand. So it's going to be tilt, tilt, tilt. Wait, what? In CV detector, none type object has no attribute to attend. To append? Is hand. Okay. Let's see. I don't know how to fix this. Maybe I just start by giving it hand equals by default none. Because, like, technically speaking, I'm correct. Where would it be? Where would it be? Where are you? Is hand equals, we're going to call it quotation marks, none this time. And can we make you just an array by default? I don't know. We will see, I guess. Hand.clear. And then we're just going to quickly state dot is hand equals hand type. What was none again? State dot hand type. Wait, where's hand type? State dot hand type was none. Okay, so is it a string? I forget. I might be stupid. None. There we go. So hopefully now we should be good. If it's not good, then that sucks, but it is what it is. Please. Okay. Clicky, clicky, clicky. So it should just be these four, and then this one should trigger at the end. String object has no attribute attend. Is it because it doesn't realize it's a list? Do I need to like make it realize it's a list by like... Is it going to be something stupid like you have to use none to like make it realize it's a list? So how about we'll try that out, sure. And type equals none. Alright, and then we have none. Over in scoring, we're going to do the same thing. Make it realize it's a list. Now we run back main.py. It's like the worst solution ever, but who cares so long as it works? Because clueless emoji is going to work this time. String object has no... Okay, but you're a... let me just look this up here. How to append to a list in Python. It's just append. Is it... Did I like mess up the notation somehow? Do you need to use brackets? No, because that should be a list. Let me just look this up. Then this had to be a list roll has to call for. All right. That's... Is hand append. Oh, it has to be right. I'm retarded. It's this instead. Yeah? Yeah, okay, cool. I didn't realize there was a difference, I guess. But there is. So now, now since it's a list, it should work. Clueless emoji, clueless emoji. Boof. Click, 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 playing blind, please. What? Jack, queen, king, queen, king. Detected 2-pair. I should have more than one hand. What? Else if hands equals 0. No, hands shouldn't be 0. I guess I'll just quickly like print hands here, I guess. And I highly doubt it's 0. And then run it back, I guess. And there's no universe in which hands is 0 here. I should be looking at playing blind. Where did I put print state to hands? After form playing hand? Yeah, wait, what? 0? Why would I have 0 hands? It should all be applying. State. Is it starting hands should equal hands here. Starting hands equals starting hands. There we go. Yay. Okay. And then we'll swap it out here. Also, I don't is Arduino still like counting up the time here? I don't know what it was doing. At the start of the loop here, should set current time. And then start time should be where's start time? Start time is counted in. Okay, that's not gonna work for me, boss man. That's not how it works. We need it to count when like the first command is finished, and then that's the start time. So this isn't gonna work for us. We need start time to actually be like we'll use if serial dot available greater than or equal to 0, and then we're just going to tack on start time equals milliseconds, and hopefully that should now make it so like it detects that serial is available, starts like the timer here, and then it starts like pushing commands. All right, let's restart the Arduino here. We're good, okay. So now, Remained up high. And hopefully it should be like at a normal speed now, instead of the breakneck pace it was going at a second ago. Okay, so deck.select. That's fine. Playing blind, playing hand. It's those four. Right, it's because I don't call reset at the start. So man. And it doesn't look like the Joker even did anything. It was Jolly Joker, right? Jolly Joker, and we should have Jolly Joker in our Jokers here. Where's Jolly Joker? Jolly Joker, if pair in state.isHand. So isHand. Oh, these are all elif. Okay, that's why. That makes sense. We don't want these to be elif. We want these to just be if statements. Oh, that's not the mistake. It's very intentional, my AI companion. I want to run through all of these. Okay. So it's running at normal speed now. The hands should be properly set, but I mean, we'll actually set everything properly here later. Right now I'm just getting Joker set up. Alright. So now, connected. Boop, 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 boop. Blank hand, 4 hands. 2, 3, 4. Yes, tilted Joker 1. Jolly Joker activated, giving 12 molt. Boom, there we go. Alright, so that's the 7th finished. And I think, yeah, we should just be able to repeat that logic over to all of the other ones, I believe. Let me get rid of this print state hand statement. So yeah, sorry, I hate it looking so stupid and cardboardy right now, but like just, you know, how about this? Use your imagination, okay? Use your imagination. These are all cards. This is all there, you know. This is all right there, you know. Thank you. So because one worked and because practically all of these are the exact same, if there we go. Like looking at all of these, you know, Jolly Joker, Zany Joker, Mad Joker. These are all basically the exact same. So I'm just quickly going to get these all named and set up, and that Joker's finished should go from 7 to, I believe, 16, just like that. So, yep, just give me a minute. Okay. It's going to be Jolly Joker. What's the next one? Next one is Zany Joker, which is plus 12 molt if 3 of a kind. So let's get that set up. Zany Joker. And this is going to be plus 12 molt if played hand contains, yeah, 3 of a kind. And hopefully that logic should all be correct. I'm going to trust AI on this one. Now, next up is Mad Joker. I'll update the counter after I'm done with all of them, because honestly, I'd rather not update it one at a time. Mad Joker. Mad Joker's description is going to be plus 10 molt if hand contains 2 pair. Hand contains a 2 pair. Yay, you know, sometimes AI actually does something good for once. Next up is Crazy Joker. Crazy Joker. Crazy Joker. It's 12. This one's 12 molt if it contains a straight. So, not your finest work, AI, but you know what? I really do respect the creativity you are feigning having. If hand, yeah, contains a straight. Boom. Next up is going to be Droll Joker. Droll Joker is a Joker. Droll Joker plus 12. Is it actually plus 12 mold? Did it predict that? No, it's plus 10 mold. It's so close. It's so close. You were so close, my friend. There we go. Plus 10 mold. Alright, next up is Sly Joker, which is plus 50 chips if played hand contains a pair. Sly Joker. Plus 50 chips if played hand contains a pair. And yep, that's what I'm looking for, AI. Thank you. And then next up is Wily Joker. Wily Joker. It's going to be plus 100 chips if played hand contains a 3 of a kind. Yep, that's wow. You were on that, man. Now sometimes it's hard to believe that these things don't listen to our microphones at all times. Next up is Clever Joker. Clever Joker is plus 80 chips if played hand contains a 2 pair. Yeah. 80 chips if played hand contains a 2 pair. Wow, I mean, like, the AI has just really been on it. Devious Joker is plus 100 chips on straight. Devious Joker is plus 100 chips on straight. Wow, yep, that's correct. Are you gonna just get it set up? Thank you. Then this one is gonna be plus 80 chips if played hand contains a flush. And that's it. It's going to be Crafty Joker. Yep. Crafty Joker. Which is plus 80 chips if played hand contains a flush. Yep. And boom. Okay. So how many was that? That was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 more complete, so we're at 16 now. That's some good stuff. I will make it so you guys can see them again, because hopefully most other Jokers shouldn't be as tedious. At least I expect them to not be. Why can't I just drag you back? Whatever. Okay. Alright, next one is Half Joker. So I need to track the number of cards that are going to be scored. That shouldn't be too bad. I think I'm already doing something along those lines. It's gonna be... I mean, worst case scenario, I could just do like a quick card tracker and be like, for 4 card in like scored cards, and then every single time a card's over with retriggers, I just like increment the counter by 1, and that's just going to be total number of cards. But yeah, that should actually work. If we just want to quickly put in num cards equals both. So we will go over to scoring. It's going to be increment cards played. It's going to be state.num cards plus equals 1. Sorry, I forgot this. Why doesn't Python have plus? I don't get it. And now, right at the bottom, we're going to do state.num cards equals 0. It's lowercase, yeah, here, right? Okay. So now the next Joker is plus 20 molt if played hand contains 3 or fewer cards. That's going to be another afterhand played one, so we'll make it real simple. We're going to be copying over basically at this entire format. Then paste, and it's going to be... I forgot what this one was. It's half Joker, okay. So half Joker, and the description is plus 20 molt if played hand contains 3 or fewer. Plus 20 molt if played hand contains 3 or fewer cards. Actually, we can be civilized. That works. Sure. Never mind, fine. I'll be a normal person. Okay, and it's gonna be why did they all duplicate the self? That's so annoying. Why did you do that? And why didn't I notice? It should only be doing tilts once. Yeah, at this... Stop it! Should be a singular self-tilt on all of these. Self.tilt, self.tilt, self.tilt. Self.tilt should be here. It's just only one. Only one. Did I do it on Jolly Joker? Is that the issue? I assume I did on Jolly Joker here. No, I didn't. The AI was just hallucinating. Okay, fun stuff. I was correct. The AI was wrong. Hooray me. Just making sure all these self-tilts are fine, so there's no, like, duplicates. Okay. I want to confirm that they're accurate for what they're saying. Yeah, Joker triggered gives plus... The if condition is actually going to be if state dot numcards is less than or equal to 3. And Joker triggered gives... Yeah. Alright, that should be another finished. Let me actually quickly... sorry, you guys are going to be disappearing for a second here. I need to take a picture with only 3 cards, because I hadn't done that previously. So I wonder what battery I'm at. My battery's still pretty decent, so we're good. Let me disable the camera here. Okay. So all we care about here is just 3 or fewer cards. So we're going to use just, yeah, basic 3, 2, and then, sure, 8 of clubs. That works for me. And that's 3 or fewer cards. Okay, and boom. Taken. So now, I'm going to send it, and I'm going to just download that and replace my board.jpg here in a moment. It's mildly annoying that fell out. Sorry, you guys don't know what I'm talking about. Okay, so let me get the camera back up. I'm going to keep running the stream for another, like, maybe 40 minutes, if I can. And now hopefully the camera angle is the same. I think it should be. Never mind, that's way zoomed out. You guys don't need to see all that. I can just move this. That works. Okay. Okay. So shifting over here. This is 3 cards. Replace board.jpg. So you guys can see it. 3 cards. And now we're going to head over to state. I have to add all of them. I mean, I'll add those later. Oh, sweet. That's convenient. And then we're going to be adding Cunning Joker. Cunning Joker wasn't one, I don't think. Was Cunning Joker one of them? I don't think Cunning Joker was one of them. Cunning? Cunning. No, it wasn't. Why is AI hallucinating a Cunning Joker? We're just gonna do half Joker. That's the only one I really care about of this set. So we're gonna be running half Joker. Okay. Okay. Arduino serial, we should be good for the moment. I don't think we need that anymore. Okay. So yeah, looking at this picture, there's 3 cards. Get this all set up. Running half Joker, and hopefully half Joker activates. It should just be first servo here. Playing hand. Unsported operands plus equal for dict and int. State.num cards. Does it not? Oh, do I need to like initialize it at 0 here? Like maybe that's the issue? Maybe it doesn't like the... We'll run it back. Wrong one. Maybe this time? Yeah, that works. Okay. Tilt card 3. So it detected 3 of diamonds, 2 of diamonds, 8 of clubs. That's correct. Good job. And then tilt card 3 is just going to be the center one. 8 of clubs is the highest card. And then tilt joker 1 because half joker gave 20 molt. Yep, that's correct. Good job. All right, so I believe that's 18 jokers finished now. Is it? Is it 18 jokers? I'm going to recount here real quick. I'm stupid. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I was right. It's we finished it. I just marked it down before I tested it. So I guess I'll quickly set it to 2 or less cards here just to confirm that it's actually like working. So it shouldn't activate now. What we're looking for is no activations right now on the jokers. Should just activate. Yep, those 2. Wait, why did it tilt the first one? Did I not save it? When it parses cards, it counts them, and it counts all of them, so. Should be working now, I reckon. It's nice that I actually caught that bug early on. Run it. Alright. So now the servo shouldn't activate here. Good. Okay. That's good. And the hand score was 13, which is 8 plus 5 times 1. I believe, yeah, that is 13. Alright. Go next. Joker stencil. Times 1 molt for each empty joker slot. Joker stencil included. Right, so... that one's gonna be a pain. Actually, just looking through these, that one's gonna be a pain too. Mime, there's no card abilities right now. I'm just gonna be looking for like the common, like really easy to implement ones here, I guess. Because we don't have hand abilities right now set up. We could do credit card. But I don't have a shop set up yet, so there's not much point, I don't think. YouTube is not. Yeah, whatever. Ceremonial dagger. I'd rather not set that up. Banner shouldn't be too hard. It's at end of hand. It's gonna be plus 30 chips times discards, I reckon. So we'll add that on. So this next one is just gonna be banner. It's gonna be banner, and it's gonna be description plus. It was plus 30 chips for each remaining discard. Plus 30 chips per discard. Discard isn't uppercase apparently. Discard. Okay. And now it should just be state dot discards, I think. I think, yeah, we have like starting hands and starting discards here. Starting hands, starting discards, and there was the same bug here. And I need to change that over here. Starting discards, am I stupid? Yeah. Okay. So it should just be as simple as if state dot well, no, it's just going to be yeah, if state dot discards is greater than 0, then it's going to be Joker triggered self dot name gives plus 30 times state dot discards chips. Yep, that's correct. I guess we'll test it out, but I'm feeling pretty solid on this one, honestly. Attack on banner, and we will just run both as a test here. Okay, so now both of these servos should be actually activating at the end of the round here. So it should go left first, then right. Right hand, it's going to be the middle, and then this. Oh, it's because I changed the Mad Joker guy, and I forgot Half Joker, sorry, and I forgot to change it back because I am an idiot. Slowly adding more and more. Okay. So I think it should be all good here. And this is less than or equal to 3. Looks like, yeah, banner's good. Was that the correct number, though? Based on the fact that we're going pure default here, starting discard should be 3, so it should be giving 3 times 3 is 90, so 90 chips is what we're looking for from banner here. I didn't... What? Why didn't you activate? Parse card, state.num cards plus equal... Yeah, should be good. I guess it doesn't like it being here? Fine. We will do like a quick count num of cards played, and it should be just... Is it really that easy? Right, if that's the case, then we'll do another reset here. I love how you can see like by the slowly accumulating like consoles over there that or terminals that how long this stream's been running. Dang it, is my nose getting nasally? Sorry if it's been like that for a while. Okay, so now, surely it's gonna be middle, then this, then this. Okay, yeah. Tool card 3, Joker triggered, it gives plus 20 molt, and then plus 90. Yep, that is correct. So it should be 18 Jokers finished now. Boom. Alright, just keeping on, as they say. What's the next one? Next one is going to be Mystic Summit, which is plus 15 molt when 0 discards remaining. That's also going to be absurdly easy. In fact, I think we can just really quickly tack that on. It should be... I mean, I don't even think we need to test this thing, all things considered. Where is... Oh, I scrolled too far. So this is going to be Mystic Summit. Mystic Summit. And it's plus 15 molt if no discards remaining. Right? Plus 15 molt when 0 discards remaining. Boom. This part is not needed. So if state.discards equals 0, yeah, it gives plus 15. Boom. Good. I don't think we need to test that. I think we should be fine. Okay. What's the next one on the chopping block? Let's see. It's Marble Joker. This is one that we will straight up just not be able to do. Anything that's deck modification is just a nope. Alright, loyalty card. It's gonna be times 4 molt every 6 hands played. Starting with 5 remaining. So every time it's triggered, that should be really easy. It's based on hands played, so it's not end of round, it's end of hand. Which... End of hand... No, everything's end of hand. Or most things are end of hand, at least. End of round is much more uncommon, so... Loyalty card should be somewhat easy. And we're also going to be actually tagging on a rarity here. Self.rarity equals rarity. Rarity. Okay. So, yeah, this is, yeah. Is it common? Should that say common? I think so. Actually everything here is common, so. Yeah, rarity equals common, and this is gonna be something we are putting on basically everything. This one, rarity equals common. This is not uncommon, it's rarity equals common. Common. And then comma. So should hopefully be able to get away with just doing that. And then it should be like real easy. I mean, AI is making it easier here. Just that after each description. Because at this point, everything I've made has been common because those are the easiest ones. And I will return to the harder ones later, but for now, easy ones. Yep, and was Mystic Summon common? Yes, it is. Okay. Man, Mystic Summon's my goat. Alright. Yeah, just continuing tacking on. Common, 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 common. Oh, by the way, if any of you have like any jokers in particular that I can do that you want to get finished ahead of time, feel free to let me know. Right now I have gone through, started with basic joker, got all the way down to half joker before stopping at joker stencil, four fingers, mime, all these uncommons here. Credit card I'll implement later. I don't feel like doing it right now. Loyalty card is what I'm doing right now, actually. So, let's see. It should be after Mystic Summit is going to be stupid. Actually, Blueprint might be a fun challenge if I want to try that out. I guess I'll look into it. Yeah, loyalty card. And this is going to be uncommon. And this is plus, sorry, times 4 molt every 6 hands played. And then we're gonna do tack on a, well, it's not gonna be hands. I don't think I have a hands played one, do I? I think I just need to like keep track of this on a particular guy, and it's gonna be hands, sorry, left equals 5 by default. Then after hand played, hands left minus equals 1. If hands left equals 0, hands left equals 6. Open parentheses not closed. Why is this here? What? Sorry, what do I mean why is this here? This should be here. Oh, it's this, because I need to tack on the plus. It should just be, oh, I need to have this at the top here, I reckon. Hands left equals 5, and that's going to be plus string hands left, hands left. Okay. For now, I think... What do you mean it's not closed? This is very much so closed, in my opinion. Maybe I'm going crazy. Isn't this closed? I think this is closed. I mean, it has been a pretty long stream, all things considered. Oh, it's because I... Is it because I didn't put a comma there? Hands left not defined? Yeah, it is. What do you mean it's not defined? It's right there, dude. Do I need to make like a global variable or something? Okay. I mean, I don't think I do. I'll look into it, I guess. I thought I could just get away with putting... Does it need to be like outside the initialization? Like, maybe I need to put in something extra, because like what I have right now, maybe, yeah, before, no, but if I have to initialize it. I have to initialize it. So why aren't you saying you're defined? My back's killing me. It's been 2 hours, man. 1:12 a.m. Well, not 2 hours. It's been an hour 40 minutes. I'm being a crybaby. I'm just I'm a vibe coder at heart, I guess. I'm sorry. I'll just ask, why is hands left saying it's not defined here? Okay. Oh, I have to... Is it really just as easy as self.hands left? Yeah. Oh yeah, it has to be outside. It's like this. My hands left. And then click that. We good? We all good? Do I need to like explicitly say self.hands left on all of these? I assume I do. Then self.hands left. If self.hands left. We're all good? Every hands left should have a self on it. Okay. So we should be able to tack on loyalty card. Loyalty card instead of banner here, just as a test, I guess. That should be fine. Loyalty, yeah. I need to go to the end here. Loyalty card. And then we will use loyalty card instead of banner. So it should be every 6 hands. Dang it, I should go into like creative. There's no creative mode in Balatro or anything. There's probably Balatro Seed Finder. Let me look through this. Balatro Seed Finder. Seed Searcher. Okay, I want an early loyalty card. Search. Minimum second. Second. Okay. I guess we're going to doing some exploring here. Where are you, Balatro? There you are. Oh, the music's gonna be playing twice here. One moment. Oof. Actually, wait, I don't play Balatro with music, so this stays on. Okay, so seeded run with seed this. Okay, seed. I said paste seed. Does paste seed not work? Okay, fun stuff. 4QXM7LX. 4QXYM7LX. XYM, right. 4QX. 4Q. Is that an O? That is an O. It's not an X for a Q. 4O. 4OXYM7LX. Okay, good. Luckily I'm good at this game, so I would never fail early on. We'll go for 9 build. I love me some 9s. Actually, never mind. Hermit's looking a lot more appealing here. But we're gonna molt up the hearts, and then we'll go like 9 up hearts, but this doesn't really matter. Do I really have a full house here? Okay, I guess that works. And then can fish for a hearts flush. There we go. That should win. I'm looking for an early... Sure. I don't know why I'm opening Celestials here. All I'm doing is, like, I just want to, like, survive early on to pick up the guy. This is 3 of a kind. Looking for 3 of a kinds. Flushes. Oh, right. I forgot. It's that boss. Actually, it doesn't even matter. We can just play high card and win, I'm pretty sure. Yay. That's an 8-ball. Looking for, you know, the guy. Sure. Give me loyalty card. Okay, turn the 2. Actually, wait, this is a strush. Where are you, loyalty card? There you are. Okay, yeah, so it starts on 5 remaining. Does it reset to 5 remaining? Let's see. So we're just gonna play, these 2, I guess. 4 remaining. 3 remaining. 2 remaining. 1 remaining. I have to open this. Die. Okay, and now it should be the Molt proc. Actually, wait, no, it's... Okay, so it's active... So it'll... Actually, wait, so we want to modify it then. So it's in Jokers... Then we'll say, can we do an if statement in initialization if self.hands left is greater than 0? Then this is the description. Else description equals, and we will just put in active. Is active uppercase? Yeah, it is. Yeah. Okay. What do you mean? Why are you pissed about that? Oh, is it like a... Do I need to get rid of you? This actually is going to be greater than 1. Was not closed. What do you mean it wasn't closed? It should be... Expected else. There is an else. What do you mean expected else? There was an else. Okay. Can we not just change the description that easily? I guess maybe not. We'll just, we can change the description after initialization, so. shouldn't be too hard. And then we'll do... We'll update after it. Yeah. So we'll start with... We'll just start with you, and then we're also gonna use self.description. If event after hand played, if hands less equals 0, else description is going to be self.description equals every 6 hands played. If self.hands left is greater than 1. It should be else, and then it's going to be active, because at 1 hand left, because it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 active. So it's going to start with 5, 4, 3. So it actually never resets to 6. It only resets to 5, right? At least that's what we see here, right? No, it's active. Okay. Does it reset to 6 or 5? Resets to 5. Okay. So it goes 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, active. Okay, so actually we want -1. Sorry, not 0 active. 1 then active. So we're gonna go with if it equals -1. Right. So now, hopefully, I mean, we aren't even going to be seeing a description yet. I'll get the description set up once I get all the LEDs figured out. Why is the camera like this? Actually, no, it's not the camera like that. It's the servos. Fun. Okay. Can't even really check the loyalty card. I could technically post, like, the number of hands left required, but no. Okay. So, let's just take a look at this one more time. The loyalty card is going to be 5 hands left. It starts with 5 hands left. So it goes 5. Then once you play a card, it goes down to 4, then to 3, then to 2, then to 1, and then to 0, which is active, then -1. That's a goofy way of doing it, but you know what, Local Thunk? You do you. So I think this should be working now. Let's run it. I'm like 90% certain I set loyalty card in the state. How about if it doesn't activate? Then we'll also just quickly like print out and then print description. Okay. Just as a test to make sure it's working, I guess. Okay. Playing hand. So it tilts the card 3 and Joker 1. So that's what we're looking for, because card 3, Joker 1 is halvesies. So we're at 4 hands left now after playing the first one. I don't know why we printed the parentheses. Is there any reason why we printed parentheses? Am I stupid? Print self.description. What? Does the description have quotation? What? No, it doesn't. It just felt like doing that. And whatever, who cares? Okay, and now this should go down to 3. Then 2. Then play the boss blind. Active. Wait. That's not right. 2 act, no. It should go 2, 1 active. I messed up here then. If, oh, it's greater than 1. No, yeah, we want greater than 0. Okay. Kill terminal. Alright, run it back. I said run it back. Come on, come on. Woof. Woof. I want to check something actually. By the looks of it, it seems like once we hit the score, the scoring is stopping, which is not what we want to see. Playing hand. So it should go doof, doof. 4 hands left. Doof, doof. 3 hands left. Doof, doof. Did it not tilt you? I swear it didn't tilt you. I'm gonna try again. And what tilted you? Okay. 2 hands left, 1 hand left. Active. And now, hand score, we should be looking at not 273, but like 1,000, about 1,100, I think. Yeah, okay. Boom. Loyalty card is good. We don't need to print the description or anything, so we should be good. Oof. Okay. So that's another Joker down. We're at 19 finished. Next up. 8 ball. 1 in 4 chance for each play at 8 to create a tarot card when scored. I don't have tarot cards set up yet, so I'm not doing this. I'm sorry. Misprint 0 to 23 molt. There we go. That's what we like to see. I think that shouldn't be too hard, actually. It's random. I've never really worked with random with Python, but you know what? I'm sure it's gonna be easy. Worst case scenario isn't easy. I'm actually not gonna copy this. I'm gonna copy a simpler Joker like Mystic Summit because that's closer to misprint. Okay. So now misprint. I wonder if the AI is like at any point gonna be like, oh yeah, I remember that. This is from Balatro. Description is 0 to 23 molt. Yep. That's 0 to 23 molt after played. It's unconditional. So we can get rid of that if statement. And this is just going to be a shift tab thing. Plus equals rand int 0 to 23. Random's not defined. I need to include random then. Right? Like import random? Is that correct? Okay. Wow, I'm actually getting better at Python. Cool. So let's see if that works. 023 Joker triggered gives... Oh, we need to hold this actually then. So it's going to be self.random molt equals... it's not going to be a one-time thing. We actually want to generate this each time, so we're going to start with equals 0. And then like the description shows like a glitched thing, but I think with description it's fine if we just stick to like 0 to 23. It's understandable. And then that's going to give plus, it's going to be self.random underscore molt. So what? Plus string self.random molt plus molt, and I think that should do it. State.molt plus equals, yeah, self.random molt. Okay. I think that should work. As per usual, we will test by setting misprint. How about... Yeah, misprint instead of loyalty card, since we already confirmed that works. Misprint. And we will get misprint up here. I swear I'll fix this. I know it looks terrible right now. I will make it look better eventually. I'm just kind of in the beta testing mode right now. So next, and yeah, I'm sorry it looks so unappealing. I wish it looked more appealing. I have a friend 3D printing a enclosure for this entire thing right now. And I'm gonna get a camera set up, so we'll get the actual like cards and all that set up. It's gonna look so much better. Not right now, but eventually. Man, maybe in a week or so, I think. So, stay tuned, I guess. Hand. Misprint gave +4. That should be right. Now we're gonna run it back. Misprint gave +20. Sorry, +6. Gave +8. Misprint gave +0. Oh, can it actually give 0? If it's 0, that's pretty funny. I didn't realize misprint could actually give you 0. I thought it was kept at 1, but I guess that does make sense. Alright. This is going to be the introduction of retriggers, so I guess let's get into that. So it's going to be an on card, which is actually uncommon for us at this point. So over here in Jokers, it's going to be down here by Greedy Joker, Gluttonous Joker, all these guys. So I believe, yeah, it's called Dusk. Class Dusk. And it's going to be re-trigger all... what is the description exactly used? Re-trigger all played cards in final hand. Cards during final hand. Rarity, I believe this one's uncommon, actually. I guess I'll check. Yeah, uncommon. Okay. So uncommon, so if, it's just going to be state.hands equals 1. State.retriggers plus equals 1. Yeah. Actually, is it that easy? There's no way it's that easy. I think it actually might be that easy. Right, tech on Dusk here. So we're going to be running Dusk halfsies. Dusk. Okay, so now we just need to keep running it until we don't get it in 3. I'll set the gold stake just to make this easier, actually. How about that? We'll go with white deck. Sure, white deck, gold stake. I'm throwing gold stake. Okay. So playing blind, playing hand. It's going to be remaining score. Okay. This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Do we actually get 4 hands? I thought gold stake actually doesn't reduce hands, right? Okay, so we do get 4 hands. 1, 2, 3, and now we should actually see this tilt twice. It did not. Was that not the final hand? 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought we get 4 hands. Did something break? Am I not resetting hands at the end of a round? I am not resetting hands at the end of a round. Okay, I think I found the issue. So I think at like a certain point we just gained infinite hands. That makes sense. Okay. So once we get a win, it's gonna be, I think, here. Yeah, this is during the game state. So we want at the end of this while loop. This is pointless, I think. We're gonna want to return state dot hands equals state dot starting hands, state dot discards equals state dot starting discards. Okay. I mean, I know that probably happens at like the start. That probably happens at the. I think I should probably just place this at the start of the start of the round. That's probably better placement. Where's the start of the round? Jeez, I need to format this. This is I know this is a monstrosity. This is the start. Set the score sum, and then yeah, set these two. Okay. So now we should be able to see the effect of dusk because we don't have infinite hands anymore. White, white. All right, playing hand. Dicka, dicka. 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 Yeah, okay, so now this should be the one where dusk activates on the fourth here. So 1, 2, 3, and then dusk should make this tilt twice, I think. It didn't. Why not? Oh, wait, is it this one? No? Okay, dusk just isn't activating then? I'm gonna actually playing hand, I'm gonna print hand just in case. Print hands remaining. Sure. Because I think I might be stupid. I'm stupid. Do we want to end on 20? I mean, I'd be down, I guess, but I don't know. I can keep going a bit longer. All right, 4 hands remaining. Play, play. 4 hands. Oh, I don't decrement hands upon. Right. Yeah, I'm stupid. Playing hand. It's gonna be state dot hand minus equals 1, and there we go. So it should work now. Clueless emoji, clueless emoji. Okay. Gonna go into red deck gold stake. All right, hands remaining 3. Hands remaining 2. Hands remaining 3. Hands remaining 2. Hands remaining 3. 2. Oh. Oh. Oh, I've realized an issue. Something's amiss. Oh, I know what happened. I know exactly what happened. Oh no, it's gonna be doing this. This is not on card score. This is actually wait, we can kind of see the speed here. All right, it finished. Okay, good. All right. Yeah, wow, that was crazy. This dusk is not an on card score. It is on a hand score, I think. No, it's on card score. It has to only happen once. It can re-trigger, but it shouldn't trigger its own re-trigger, I don't think. It's a card hits dusk, and then maybe like per card it can only activate once? Or maybe we should have like a per hand, kind of like... No, I think it should be per card. Like just to make sure the re-trigger doesn't activate a re-trigger. Huh, I don't know how to handle this. Sorry, I'm just thinking for a second here. Oh, I haven't had dinner. Oh, it's 1:43 a.m. Okay, this will be the last Joker then. Sorry. I'll get more finished probably on Monday here. And maybe on Monday I'll even have the the actual enclosure set up. Okay, so jeez, my nose is all stuffy. I'm sorry about how bad I've been sounding. So retriggers shouldn't trigger their own retrigger. Should be like start a round, give every card one retrigger, maybe? No, but like retriggers them. Um, Maybe this is actually a misc card. I think this is actually a misc card, and we're gonna set it up so Dusk. And the code name for it is gonna be Dusk. We're gonna call Dusk once. At the start of each card score. So scoring, and then we're gonna call Dusk first. So Joker.trigger Dusk. Actually, maybe we should have like a designated like retrigger Jokers. Sure. Retrigger Jokers category seems fine, and we'll just make a new category for retriggers. And this will go there. Because I think this adds one to each individual card. Yeah, that works. So it's not like per scoring loop, but yeah. Okay, I'm a genius. Sick. Maybe I can keep going because my strokes of genius before my genius stroking, as they say. Okay. So now in scoring, we're gonna trigger retriggers. And that shouldn't happen anymore, I don't think. Should just get something pretty normal looking, where it's just gonna retrigger once. And we're actually gonna... How about we swap back to straight flush, just so we can see like a straight flush retrigger. It might take a while to actually get to the straight flush, but I will pick this image. This is going to be a low ace kind of flush here, as we can see. And we're going to go with, half Joker doesn't do anything, so we're only going Dusk. Okay. So now, oh, we don't need to run that. Just click play. So, Joker dot cannot access local variable Joker where it is not associated with a value. Oh, I forgot to do the everything else bit, which is for Joker in Jokers. I need to tack this on and boof. No, I don't want on card score. I want retriggers. Is that what they're called? Retriggers or like retrigger? Also, I forgot to call this. Okay, I guess we're going with retriggers. Okay. So, gonna kill it. But now, I hate that there's such a long delay between these. I love Code Runner, I know, but like, can be a little annoying. Like hand. It's gonna be a strush, ace 2, 3, 4, 5, and just gonna keep on going until we lose, which it's gonna take a while, all things considered. Just waiting. I think we lose next ante, actually, so that's good. Or well, we can see Dusk activate in Ultimate Glory before we lose, I think, next round here. Is that how it works? I don't think that's how Dusk works, actually. Is that how Dusk works? I can't remember. Does retriggers like go through the entire thing and then trigger again, or does it go like click, 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 click? I think it goes click, click. So I think that's set up correctly, actually. Like anyone with better knowledge of Balatro, I guess, like let me know if I'm wrong, but I think that's good. I'm pretty sure. So I think that's 20 finished. Ending on Dusk. I can keep going. I probably shouldn't. I really shouldn't. I'm gonna keep going. So go from 19 to 20. And while we're on retriggers, how about I get the other retrigger jokers set up here? Kind of going out of order here, but you know what? I feel like it, so we're gonna do it. Next retrigger joker is Hack. So we'll get Hack set up here. And the condition for Hack is it has to be a 3, or sorry, it has to be 2, 3, 4, or 5. So name equals Hack. All 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. Very uncommon. Event equals retriggers. If the if condition for this is if state dot rank 2, 3, 4, 5 retriggers plus equals 1, and Joker triggered all 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. Sure, we'll double up here with the retriggers and we'll get a... How about we start us on ante 8? Just so we can not have to wait. How about that? And we'll go from half Joker over to Hack. Which we just need to import Hack. Which, how do you do that? Where's Hack? Where did you import Hack? Oh, at the front. Okay. Sorry for hitting the mic every so often, by the way. I don't mean to destroy your ears. I'm sorry. I mean, am I destroying your ears? Actually, not really. Kinda. Okay. So now we should be starting on ante 8, I think. So the score requirements are going to be absurd. Start on, yeah, white deck, stake. Yeah, 50,000 score. Okay, that's good. So we should be looking at, looking on our board here, 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. So all 4 of these should retrigger except the ace. So it should go like click, 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 click. Never mind. Has no attribute. Rank? Yeah, it does. Does it not? I thought we had rank here. Did I put it here? Oh, I did. Oh no, it's card rank in card suit. Yeah, that's my bad. It's gonna be card rank. Okay. Kill terminal. Hopefully this works. Uh-huh. Hack. Retriggers. Uncommon. If state.card rank in 2, 3, 4, or 5. I guess we'll print card rank. This is a test here. So I swear it was right. Maybe not. None. Do we never set card rank here? I thought we did. State. Oh, state. I went with state dot rank and state dot suit. Not. It's card rank card suit. There we go. So now it should be working. Wait, why was that other one working then? Do we have 2 instances? No, we don't. Wait, so why was... I can't make any sense of anything? Who cares? We're going next. Right. Right? Yeah. That's only 3 hack activations. It should be activating 2s, 3s, 4s, and 5s. But for some reason it didn't activate the 2, I don't think. I guess we'll try again. Huh? What? I guess we'll just quickly display, like, I don't know, print state.card rank as a test again? I thought this would work, but it's been really scuffed. I don't know why. I mean, I guess that's the definition of scuffed there. We'll end on 21, that's the funny number. Uh-huh. Ace 2, 3, 4. And the 5 just wasn't seen? What? We have A, 2, 3, 4. Why was no 5 detected here? Because the card is going to be... Oh, wait, none? Ace? Oh, that's why? Oh, the order's wrong. It's thinking this is a 4? What? Is it, like, out of order by 1? I think it might be out of order by 1. Oh, there's no ace here. That's why. No, there is an ace. Wait, then why isn't it using it? What? Why aren't... Alright. Back to vibe coding. I guess we should do this outside then. Yeah, I just noticed the issue. We only have to mark this down once, because the suit and stuff like that doesn't really change. So we'll just do this inside here. And then shift tab it twice, 3 times. Boom. Okay. So now that it's updating correctly, it should work, I think. I think I got rid of the check here too. No, I'm printing the ring still. Okay. Okay. Click, click. Playing hand. Okay. Good. Ace 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, that's correct. Okay, good. Yep. Yep. Okay, and now we're gonna run that back again. And now we should be looking at 3 re-triggers on this last round. Huh? It sent till... Okay, wait. Was there... Also, why is Dusk activated now? Do we need to, like, set Dusk to hands remaining 0? Did I do this wrong? I did. Dusk has to be on hands equals 0. But I also think we ran into another issue here, which was, I don't think the cards here were like, I don't think they were tilting at the end. I think we ran out of like memory in the Arduino somehow. Let's see. Three, 4, 5. Yeah. We're running out of memory here. Discard. Okay. Okay, so that's all good. And then we click one more time. 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. Yeah, exactly. It's like inconsistent. Even though it says it's tilting 3 times, it isn't, which is annoying, actually. I'll look into that off stream, but for now, this seems fine. I think I can confidently say 21 complete. Hack is finished. And the issue is not hack. The issue is, you can see in the log here, it's sending all the commands. Like, it's sending all the commands properly because we start with activating dusk, which is going to activate this once, and activates this again. And then hack and dusk activate, which tilts Joker 1 and tilts Joker 2. Where's tilt Joker 1? Oh, yeah, tilt Joker 1, tilt Joker 2. Then it tilts the card 3 times. Then again, tilt Joker 1, tilt Joker 2, tilt 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then ends. But on the Arduino end, it didn't pick up everything, is what I'm thinking. So, yeah, I think the issue is on the Arduino end. I think, yeah, I should be fine. Okay. Well, even though nobody's here right now, if you made it to the end of the VOD, if you're watching this for some reason, or if you're future me just running through all this, then, yeah, have a good day, I guess. I'm gonna go eat dinner and, get some sleep. Good night.